If you were offered a salary of $1 million to guard a lighthouse, would you dare to take the job? At this workplace, hardly anyone checks on you. You can sleep as long as you want. When you wake up, all you do is eat, drink, enjoy the scenery, or maybe go fishing. Your only responsibility is to ensure that the lighthouse's light and communication equipment are functioning properly. Despite such generous benefits, almost no one dares to apply. This is one of the most dangerous jobs in the world, guarding the Jumon Lighthouse. It's located on the coast of Brittany, France. Here, no one talks to you. All you have is loneliness. That's just the mental aspect. What's even more challenging is the frequent, powerful storms in this region. Waves crashing against the lighthouse can reach tens of meters in height. A slight oversight could result in the destruction of the lighthouse and loss of life. The picture in front of you was taken during a rescue operation at the Jumon Lighthouse years ago. When we zoom in on the photo, we can see that the lighthouse keeper and the entire lighthouse are almost entirely engulfed by the waves. Had he stepped out a bit further, he might have been swept away. This lighthouse keeper, Magna, still shudders at the memory. So, after hearing the whole story, would you still dare to take the job for $1 million?